Ray. Good. Daddy's got your arms. Whoa, we don't like this. Was it a 1, a 2, a Ray? Good. Yeah. All right. Is it a 1, a 2, a Ray? Good. Yes. Okay. Bend it. It's a bend it. We need tissues. All right. Let's get your Band-Aids. Hold on to that. Good. We'll get your Band-Aids. What's that? Let's get this one on. You don't take it right off. I know you guys. You take them right off. We'll take this and good. All right. Clean up.